Hi, my loves! Sylvia is going to show you 3 beautiful hairstyles that you can create by yourself. Stay tuned! Starting off with the first one for today and making it a half-up, half-down hairstyle. Leaving the front pieces out for a little bit, just so we can create that beautiful dimension to the face. Covering up that elastic tie with a very thin hair section is always a good idea. The volume of the hair is to admire, and I definitely love it on my hairstyles. She's looking gorgeous! Don't you guys agree? Are you ready for the next cute one that is super easy to make? Sectioning the hair in one side only, and then using these elastic ties to start with the styling. While adding elastic ties, don't forget to work with that volume. Makes the hairstyle look prettier. What do you guys think of this hairstyle so far? Always leaving the front pieces out to make it look gorgeous. Told ya, she makes every hairstyle look super easy and effortless. Keep up the good work, sweetie! On to the next one for today. How excited are you for this one? Let's wrap all the hair to the back into a very low ponytail. Sectioning them in half and tying them with small elastic ties. What do you guys think of this one so far? I am loving this one already. Takes a bit of time, but the results are breathtaking. Have those bobby pins nearby, because you will need them to secure the hair. Her wrapping techniques are out of this world. All these beautiful hairstyles, and this one is just the cherry on top.